did you end up getting in the business?
My mom had a private party, and since I was 11, she always would make me go out and dance. She's like, get out there and just dance and do something. So she had a private party, and the guys were absolutely whack, and all I could hear her in the background, my baby could do better than that. So ever since that party, it's been a wrap. I've been dancing ever since.
Oh, and you are awesome, too. Really is. And then there's another thing that you said that really works well at your shows, and that's a grand entrance. Can you show us what that's about?
Grand entrance. Okay, Judge, I need you to be my woman.
We have history.
We have history.
So, you know.
Jordy grabbed her butt, so.
So the first thing I do when I'm about to start making love to my woman, I wanna come in slow. I wanna do foreplay. Men, it's important, trust me. Don't go straight into it, just okay? Take your time, okay?
Seduction is everything, right?
Seduction is everything. So you wanna walk in slow, all right? Make that eye contact. Look at me, Judge, look at me. And when you walk in, you wanna slide in and let her know that you're here. The judge she using my tricks on me.
Okay, she was.
Yep.
I forgot where I was at for a minute.
She talks about that she learned a lot from us, but I think she got a few tricks personally.
She got a few tricks. She's not a baby, okay?
So you walk in the room, you do the seduction, you walk in, and then you make the eye contact, and then what happens after that?
I go to the love triangle. You know, even women, you know, when you go out there, you're doing your thing for your man, you want to take it to the left. You know, for me, I'm a body roll to the left, and I'm a body roll to the right. I want you to see all of it. So, yeah, go ahead, take it to the, show them all of it though. Yeah, take it to the, and then take it here, but you gotta roll it. You roll it a little bit.
Yes, Mary, roll it. Roll it, Mary. Roll it, Mary.
Take it down. So, yeah.
Okay. And then, of course, at some point, you might just pick them up and then then it's on, right?
It's on after that. Once you get it started, now it's time to tear some
Mary's
stuff
waiting.
Now, thank you so much, Mary.
Give it up.
Down, Mary, down.
So today's a big day for Drew, and not just because he's appearing on Face the Truth. Drew has decided that today will be his last performance ever. Aww.
Yep.
Can you tell us why did you decide that you're done?
I'm in love, and you know, whenever you're with a woman, you have to put both foot in and really commit. And me being in this business of dancing, it was always one foot in and one foot out. And I want my woman to know I'm fully committed to give my life to her.
Yeah! Wow, look at that. You're going to get a standing ovation for that one. That's the first time on Face the Truth. Congratulations, Drew. Listen, like I said before, you're a very talented young man, excellent choreographer, but more importantly, you're a good man.
Thank you.
And just know that, you know, myself and my Truth team, that we wish you just the absolute best on the next new chapter for not only yourself, but for your family.